Hello children. So one day Prakash had a first term exam and he had prepared for the exam. He had studied hard and he gave the exam. Okay, it was a new school but somehow he had adjusted to all the subjects. And then when the results came, he got around 77 out of 100. Okay, the overall mark. And in English, he had got 79 marks out of 100. So he was happy with his report card, and when he came back, he shared the report card with the orphanage's director. And when the director saw, he was very happy. So actually, Prakash was thinking he should have got 80 or 84 at least. But here, the orphanage director was very happy with Prakash's mark, and during dinner time, he said everybody should clap for Prakash has got an excellent mark. Okay, so then Prakash got to know that other children have not got very good marks. There was Naidu who had just got 52 in English, and there was another boy, Madhi, he had got only 43 in English. So Prakash felt bad for them because they got a lot of scolding from the director for not studying hard. And normally when they sit and study, no, all the children just look at the book. None of them are actually reading it, okay? So they will just look at the book as if they are studying. But in reality, none of them will study during the studying time. So Prakash was used to studying when he was with his grandma, no? That's why he was getting good marks. But the children here were not used to studying a lot. So that day in the evening, when they were playing on the near the mango tree, they were climbing the mango tree. Naidu was there, Madhi was there. So Prakash said, "Hey guys, let's play a game." Okay. So they said, "Yes, let's play a game." So the game was very simple. What they will do is they will choose one letter. Let's say the letter is A, and then all of them have to say words with the letter A. So suppose Madhi says apple, then Prakash has to think of another word with A and he says ant. And then each child has to keep on saying one word with the letter A and no child should repeat. Okay. So in the beginning, every time who won? Prakash only won because his English was quite good and he knew many words in each other language. For instance, suppose I ask you to say words with the letter J. How many words can you think of? Jug, jar, jam, and then. So sometimes for some letters, no, we may not get words to say. Some letters we may have many words. Let's say the letter B, we may say ball, bag, baggage, butter, yeah. And some letters like let's say T, G, X, Q, we may not have many words. But daily they started playing this on the mango tree. Another game Prakash introduced was called the memory game. Okay, so how the memory game works is I may say mango. So the next person may say, he has to repeat the word I said. He has to say mango, then he may say ice cream. So then the third person has to say mango, ice cream, dog. Then it was again Prakash's turn. And Prakash will have to say mango, ice cream, dog, camera. Okay. And then it was Madhi's turn. And he has to say mango. And he will say I forgot. And then the game is lost. So one way was memory game. Now a new game. So Madhi asked, Prakash, where do you get this game from? Did you learn it from your grandmother? So Prakash said, nothing like that. I just make games because I like making games. So let's play another game, he said. He said, okay, one more game. So this game was you have to keep asking questions. So suppose I say, why are you going to school? You cannot answer the question back, okay? You have to say another question. Why is the sky blue? Why is it dark in the night? Why does the sun rise in the east? So like that. And they daily started saying questions. Some days they will write and do the game. Instead of speaking it out, no, they will think of 10 words with letter S and they'll quickly jot it down. Okay. So slowly, Naidu, Madhi and Prakash used to play these English games on a regular basis. Sometimes they will speak, sometimes they will write. Okay. And they had a good fun doing it. Now it so happened, after some time, the next exam was coming, the final exam. And the director said, okay, children, everybody has to study 2 to 3 hours every day. So there was a time fixed from for 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock they were supposed to study, and then only they pray and have dinner. So every day 3 hours everybody will study. But most of the children, they will not be studying, okay. They'll carry the textbook, they'll act as if they are studying, but they were not very motivated to study. Okay. Similarly, Madhi and Naidu also were not very keen to study. And the director was seeing all this, but he didn't know what to do, because he could see Prakash was studying, but he also saw many children were not studying. So he could encourage one, he could encourage two. He got a teacher to help them if possible, he was thinking. So all kind of such ideas were going on. How can we improve the children's marks? But very soon the exam date was there and the exam results came, okay. And they all gave the exam and the results came. And not surprisingly, Prakash did very well in his test. But the director was suddenly very surprised. He said, hello, Madhi and Naidu both have got more than 60% marks in English. Okay, so they said, congratulations, you have been working very hard. So Naidu said, working hard? He looked at Madhi. Madhi also looked like this, because they both had not studied very hard. But both the marks was more than 60. So the director said, "Yeah, how come you got such a good mark? Last time you only got 40 and 50% marks. This time you got more than 60% marks." And then Naidu said, maybe we learnt English while playing games. So the director said, what? What games? So the children told what Prakash used to make them do every day and what games they used to play. So the director then called Prakash to the room and said, hey Prakash, I heard you've been playing games with Naidu and Madhi. So Prakash said, yes. So he said, that's very good. That has really improved their marks. The English mark is now 60, more than 60% marks. And that's very good improvement. So Prakash said, nice. So director said, okay, from now on, you three can study together during study time. Okay, and you are allowed to talk. Earlier, none of the children are allowed to talk. Okay, they all had to sit silently in front of the books. But now, the director himself said, Prakash, you can help Naidu and Madhi if they want to learn, and you can talk and interact during study time also. So, children, what do we learn from today's story? The thing is, many times studies can be fun, and the way we learn and the way we study can make a lot of difference to how much you remember. Okay, so slow and steady we have to get better at our subjects, and Prakash with his games taught the children how to get better at English. Okay, so with that we come to the end of today's story. Thank you.